World Day for African and Afrodescendant Culture will be celebrated on January 24th, 2024. Proclaimed by UNESCO, this day aims to celebrate the many cultures of the African continent and African diasporas around the world. It is also a recognition of the contribution of African and Afrodescendant culture to the broader canvas of humanity's heritage. The day was first established to recognize the rich cultural contributions that Africa and its diaspora have provided to the global community. It acknowledges not just the arts and literature, but the fundamental ways in which African and Afro-descendant people have shaped societies, from philosophy and politics to music and cuisine. The importance of this day is manifold. It's a celebration, an act of recognition, and a call to action to preserve and promote cultural expressions. It's a day to remember the resilience and creativity of African and Afro-descendant communities in the face of historical adversities, such as slavery and colonialism. Celebrations and observances might include festivals, concerts, dance performances, academic conferences, and community gatherings. These events serve as platforms to showcase the diversity of African and Afro-descendant cultural expressions, from the syncopated rhythms of Afrobeat music to the vibrant patterns of kente cloth. One thing to remember about the World Day for African and Afro-descendant culture is that it represents a global acknowledgement of the immense and ongoing contributions of African cultures to the tapestry of world heritage. Professionally, the day plays an essential role in fostering cultural diversity and intercultural dialogue. It promotes understanding and respect for cultural heritage, which is fundamental for peaceful coexistence in multicultural societies. In the future, we may see an expansion in the use of digital platforms to celebrate this day, increasing its accessibility and allowing for a broader global engagement. Virtual events and social media campaigns can amplify the voices of African and Afro-descendant artists and cultural practitioners, ensuring their work reaches a wider audience. Other communities can engage with this event by collaborating in cultural exchange programs, supporting African and Afro-descendant businesses and artists, and through education that emphasizes the historical and contemporary significance of these cultures. Questions. How can the celebration of African and Afro-descendant culture enhance our understanding of global history and human development? What role can individuals play in supporting the preservation and promotion of African and Afro-descendant cultural heritage? How does the recognition of diverse cultural contributions strengthen the social fabric of increasingly diverse societies? The takeaway from the World Day for African and Afro-descendant culture is its affirmation of the vibrant and dynamic influence of African and Afro-descendant cultures on global civilization, urging us to embrace, learn from, and celebrate this rich cultural legacy. This content is part of the Diversity Calendar Kit offered by Diversity for Social Impact. Copyrighted by Diversity for Social Impact.